Hello friends, in this video I'm just going to share a new website that I came across which helped me look at the website that no more exists for me. Like one of the websites that we had developed for Consai was on the domain consai.co. So let us look at what it says. Okay, so when I go to consai.co, all it says is it works, whereas earlier there was an entire website that was available over here. Now, because the either the website is crashed or the website is no more uploaded, but I still want to have a look at the content that was there on the website. So I was stuck, and one of my students shared uh, this link with me, which really helped me to look at my content that was there on the website. So let me share that link with you, and the link is www.archive.org. Okay, so you go to archive.org, and after going to archive.org you go over here and type the name of the website or web page that you are looking at. Okay, so as a part of a class we were looking at Mahindra and Mahindra annual reports, and the annual report was available a couple of weeks before, but because of the maintenance the site was down for some days and we still wanted to have access to annual report. So we typed the link of annual report over here and we could get the access to annual report, because this website or this archive.org keeps the backup or snapshot of the pages of all the websites that is available across the world. In most of the cases, this is what I have observed that it works. So let us look at the consai.co site. So I have clicked on browse history and it is retrieving pages, and now it gives me history in 2014 which time period snapshot is available, and it shows on 17th May one snapshot is available. Let me go and check uh, if that is the one I was looking for. So you need to be little patient while working with this site. Yes, and you could see this was what my site looked like when it was existing, consai.co site, and you can see there are a variety of pages, and I don't know whether these will work or not, but I'm just trying to click on some of them. So let me click on startup consulting. I think some of the internal links are not working, but the links which were accessed at that point of time have been taken snapshot of by this archive.org. Okay. Moreover, our consai.co.in site was pretty different before we went ahead with this new site. So let us say in 2014, and you would see that there are multiple years of snapshots available. Okay, so let me go back to 2012. Okay, and have a look at what kind of snapshot is available in let us say May 2nd of 2012, and I'm just showing how the site currently looks. This is how the site currently looks, but the older version of site was something like this. Okay, it is still not the proper version, but yes, broadly some aspects of the site look like this. Let me take some other day version. So let me look at 2013 version, which was relatively most recent version, and in that I'm picking up this July 12th version, and let us see how it looks. and this is how the website used to look. Okay, now all these options were scrolling in the original website, which are being directly highlighted over here. These options were scrolling, and I go to training page, and let me see if it takes me to training page. So this one website, archive.org, can save a lot of time for you. At least you can always come back to this site as an option to explore the pages which are no more there. In many of the cases, I have seen that it doesn't work for many of the pages because many of the websites don't allow archive website to take its snapshots. So it may not work in many of the cases, but it can be one of the options that you can explore to check if the website is website page is available on that or not. Okay, so you can see training page is available over here. So let us see if I click on courses over here. Now this website is pretty different, which is the current state of website. This was the older version, you see. So now this is the older version. Okay, so I may want to have access to data points that I have, some text that I had written. So this is one of the ways by which you can have access to websites or web pages that no more exist. So explore on your own this website and see if it works for you. www.archive.org. This is where you type in the name and click on browse history to look at the pages that no more are live on the web. That's it for now. Thank you.